gentlemen, to the wedding ceremony of Peter and Allie. Do you, Peter, take Allie to be your wife? Do you promise to be true to her in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health? Do you promise to love and honor her all the days of your life? Do you, Allie, take Peter to be your husband? Do you promise to be true to him in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health? Do you promise to love and honor him all the days of his life? I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Peter and Allie Seward.
If I were to have the opportunity to choose the perfect husband for my sister, it would be Peter. He compliments her in ways that I have never seen. They are hilarious together. And I cannot wait to see the family that they create.
Peter, you are the man every girl dreams of, but only Allie deserves. You love her exactly the way that she is, and you stand by and cheer for her as she grows into the greatest and truest version of herself. Every happiness to you both. I adore you.